And here's something else that's making news in the US, the arrest of a Harvard professor. One who headed the chemistry and chemical biology department in Harvard, who helped set up a lab in Wuhan, who was working with the Chinese, was being funded by the Chinese while also getting money from the US Department of Defense. This is enough raw material for social media special agents to join the dots. Is this Harvard professor linked to the coronavirus outbreak? Our next report has the answer.
Separate cases highlighting the ongoing threat posed by Chinese economic espionage and research theft in the United States.
This video has gone viral.
Home of 60-year-old Dr. Charles Lieber today.
It claims that the United States has found the man who made and sold the deadly coronavirus to China.
University in Wuhan, and was paid up to $50,000 per month.
Dr. Charles Lieber, a Harvard professor who is now being called the coronavirus culprit. The viral video claims that Dr. Lieber was arrested on the 5th of April. But, like much else on social media, this is fake news. The video is old. The claims are wrong. Gravitas carried the original arrest report on the 29th of January.
The arrest of a Harvard professor and 2 Chinese researchers in the US comes at a critical time. Could this snowball into a bigger clash? Here's a Gravitas special report.
He's being called a Chinese spy. US prosecutors have arrested him on charges of economic espionage and research theft.
The arrest today of a Harvard University professor for lying about his participation in a Chinese foreign recruitment program.
So who is Dr. Lieber and what is his story? Dr. Charles Lieber is a nanoscientist. He develops small materials on the nanometer scale, not viruses. He is the chair of Harvard University's Chemistry and Chemical Biology Department and has been affiliated with the university since 1991. So has Dr. Lieber been arrested? Yes, he was arrested in January this year. Again, not on the 5th of April. So why was the Harvard professor arrested? Well, he was being funded by the Chinese. He hid this fact while drawing funds from the US government. Dr. Lieber has been charged with aiding China. So does his arrest have anything to do with the coronavirus? The answer is no. Dr. Charles Lieber's case is one of financial conflict of interest. What is the Thousands Talent Plans? At the center of it is China's Thousands Talent Plans. This program encourages foreign experts to bring their knowledge to China. It also rewards individuals for stealing proprietary information. Dr. Lieber was part of this program between 2012 and 2017. But Harvard did not know about this. China paid Lieber $50,000 per month for 3 years. He also received living expenses of $158,000. Dr. Lieber also worked with the Wuhan University of Technology. He was awarded $1.5 million for establishing a lab in Wuhan. The professor did not disclose any of this. To top this, Lieber continued receiving grants from the US Department of Defense. That's where the conflict comes in. Is there anything wrong with Lieber working with China? Technically, no. But he should have disclosed these affiliations to Harvard and US agencies. Instead, Lieber lied about them on 2 occasions in 2018 and 19. Hence, he was arrested. Nothing to do with creating or selling the coronavirus. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.